Welcome to the installation guide for the Wonderfitter M9 and M17 SteamVR drivers for MetaQuest headsets. First, a quick pre-installation checklist. Ensure your PC is running Windows 11 or later, and has the latest versions of Steam, SteamVR, the MetaQuest app, and the M9/M17 driver package. If you are an existing user upgrading your driver, we'll first completely uninstall the old version. New users can skip this step. In your Steam library, right-click on SteamVR, select Manage and then browse local files. Navigate into the drivers folder, find the folder named Wonderfitter M9 driver, and delete it. For hardware, you'll need your M9 electronic pistol, its included dedicated Bluetooth adapter, and a compatible MetaQuest headset. Now, let's install the driver. Step 1. Ensure SteamVR is completely closed. Then, find and double-click the Wonderfitter and setup.exe file. Important: during the installation, please use the default path directly without making any changes. Just click the install button. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. While your PC restarts, let's assemble the hardware. Attach the rail to the pistol and secure it tightly. Then, secure the VR mount onto the rail. Align your right VR controller, insert it, and press the lock until it clicks. Now, put on your headset and launch MetaLink to connect to your PC. From inside the Link environment, select Run SteamVR. You can also launch it from your desktop. Once SteamVR loads, check your PC's SteamVR status window. This hexagonal C icon means your driver is installed correctly. Finally, let's pair your M17. Make sure you've plugged the dedicated Bluetooth adapter from your M17 package into available USB port on your computer. Do not use your PC's built-in Bluetooth. Ensure SteamVR is running. Remove the magazine. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds until the green LED blinks. After a few moments, the light will turn solid green, signaling a successful connection. You should also see a new device connected here in your system tray. Reinsert the magazine, and you are ready to play. For links to the latest drivers and a full FAQ, please visit our website. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new hardware.